Welcome to Power Transmission and Distribution Lab of Electrical Engineering Department, Bahria University, Karachi campus. Myself, Engineer Ayaz Hain, and I am the lab in charge of this lab. The objective of this lab is to give students knowledge and understanding of power system transmission and distribution. In this lab, the student can absorb the working and analysis of electrical power system as well as the performance and its simulation work. Through these labs to clear their concept, the students are developing an understanding of power system dynamics in which load flow analysis, short circuit analysis through simulation in MATLAB Simulink, ETAP and Power Factory. Lab experiments are designed in coherence with theory. The students can perform three-phase transformer vector group, no load operation of transmission line, short circuit analysis and different complex load responses, as well as to understand the double bus bar controlling with load and no load operation. We have electrical circuit fault trainer to diagnose the faults like ELCB testing, three-phase circuit breaker, magnetic contactor, timer circuit, thermal overload relay during the operation of three-phase motor. We have expert technical staff to handle the student queries during the lab performance. We are welcome you all to be a part of this reputable university to explore the knowledge of power system engineering. Let's discover knowledge together.